Hello grade 1. Good morning. How are you? I am teacher Salwa AlRaisi. Today inshallah we are going to have a jolly phonics lesson. Say with me.
S, s, snake. A, ant. T, t, tennis. I, ink. P, puff.
Now be ready class 1 to learn the new letter sound. Stay with me. A girl and her grandfather are fishing by a pond. Grandfather has a fishing rod and the girl has a net. Suddenly, they hear a loud and nasty noise as a plane flies overhead. The girl runs around pretending she is a plane saying, hmm, hmm, hmm.
Hear the airplane, hear the airplane, hear the airplane, making lots of noise.
Net, net, net. Nose, nose, nose. Nest, nest, nest. Now class 1, I want you to open these 2 pages in your Jolly Phonics booklet and write the letter sound hmm.